Hey, nice to see you again! We are now going back to nature, to Sumatra in Indonesia. First, I'm gonna do a stop in Medan, fly over from Singapore, just a 1-hour flight, and meet some of my friends through couch surfing. And then we're driving to the jungle, to Bukit Lawang, to see the orangutans. Camera against camera. Which market is it? Petisa in Medan. Hello. This is Medan traffic. Sometimes you risk your life, but whatever. Morning from Bukit Lawang. I arrived here yesterday with a family I met through couch surfing, and it was a very good trip, although it took us very long. In half an hour I will go to the jungle trek, so I'm really excited to see some orangutans. I'm looking forward to the nature because the last week I have been in big cities like Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, and the weather's looking really great. Actually, they said it's gonna be a lot of rain, but I hope not, because I'm coming and it should be good weather. So, let's explore the jungle. Problem with the orangutan. He doesn't want to leave us, so our guide is trying to get rid of him, but yeah, he's surrounding us and wants our food. He wants to join our tour. It's a really good tour, but he hasn't paid, so he's not allowed to join. Because I booked a 2-day 1-night tour, we slept 1 night in the jungle. The others didn't really sleep well from my group. We were 6 people in the group, but I slept quite okay. And so the next day I was a bit more fit than the others, maybe to see more of the beautiful orangutan. Longest and unsafest bridge of my life. I'm now departing from Bukit Lawang to Lake Toba, and this is so crazy. I'm in Sumatra, it's 30 degrees, and let's go. That's the village of Bukit Lawang and the jungle, the Gunung Leuser National Park. One of the only places in the world to see orangutan alive. They wash their clothes in this muddy water. I finally made it. I spent 2 nights in this cute little nature village before I flew from Singapore to Medan. And now I'm gonna spend 2 more nights at the volcano lake and then fly to Jakarta. So, see you there. I'm just here at the hot springs in Sumatra, Indonesia. We are near the lake Toba, which is behind me. It's the biggest volcano lake of the world and the biggest lake in Southeast Asia. And the island on that called Sumatra, and I'm staying there in the town Tuk Tuk, in a little cottage, and they have these traditional houses. And here it's also a volcano, and you see the sulfide, the yellow sulfide comes out when the chemicals react. And yeah, this island where I'm staying is as big as Berlin, so it's really big, and the lake is like 1,000 square meters big. The lake Toba was a super volcano 74,000 years ago, and it erupted in the Ice Age, destroyed a lot of land and built this amazing lake inside. And yeah, now a lot of tourists are visiting it. You can ride around the island with a motorbike, what we just did. And yeah, it's an amazing nature landscape. At this volcano lake, Lake Toba, I went back to the airport to fly to Jakarta. I could really stay longer. It was a really nice atmosphere there, quite relaxing and calm. But yeah, the next island, Java, was calling, and what I did there you will see in the next video. Bye!